What's going on, guys? Jesse in the Humble Auto Spa, and today we are removing perfectly good PPF. Why? Our client wants a better install. Let me show you what a standard install looks like. Industry standard PPF will go right up to the edge, but our client is looking for a bespoke install where the edges are tucked underneath. Now, this is a perfectly fine install, but this PPF has already been serving for a couple of years. It's already got a couple nicks in it. And so he's like, you know what, Jesse, go ahead and just remove it and replace it while you're here. So we're gonna do that today, and we're gonna show you what that entails. All right, PPF removal. This is probably one of the most tedious parts about this install because you have to do it really carefully. We use a steamer to remove it, and once it's removed, then we can finally lay our new piece of film. So we gotta remove it, clean it, then we can lay, do a four-corner stretch just like what you're seeing here. Four-corner stretch gets the film onto the panel in an even way, and it mitigates any kind of stress that you may see on the edges called fingers. So as we do that, it reduces the tension, giving us a flat finish. We gotta get rid of all of the water and the air. And then once we're done, we squeegee in sections just like this, going over the edge. Make sure there's no water or bubbles left behind. So now we're gonna go ahead and trim right up past the perimeter. This is really important because when we trim it this way, we can tuck the film underneath the panel. And this is good for two reasons. First and foremost, it looks amazing. But more importantly, when you tuck it this way, you don't have any exposed edges, and those edges are far likely to catch and lift, giving you better durability over time. So even though this vehicle has only got 14,000 miles and it's a 2023, so it's really not that old, this paint is looking pretty weathered, and so a two-step paint correction is going to remove all of these swirl marks and scratches prior to us sealing with some Next Zen Elite. So we're going to do a two-stage paint correction, which involves a very heavy cut to get rid of the deeper scratch that you're seeing, and then a refining polish to remove any kind of haze that comes for this cut. So this stage is really important because we don't want to remove too much clear coat. And as you can see, once the cut is done, it leaves a light haze that we will need to chase with a polishing pad, which is why it's called a two-step paint correction. So now we move on to the polish. This is really important to remove any haze that was caused by the cut during the two-step paint correction. And this step here is going to make sure that we get a glass-like finish. And there you guys have it. Crystal clear paint. All right, guys, after this two-step paint correction, this paint is looking fantastic. Now let's go ahead and seal with Next Zen Elite. This particular coating I really love because of its resilience. Next Zen Elite is extremely water spot resistant, bird poop resistant, and it's very easy to clean, which means that even when this car is dirty, it washes like a Teflon frying pan. The best part is that after you get done cleaning it up, it looks like you just waxed it. So if you're looking for a long-term protection plan for your vehicle, this is the product for you. And there you guys have it. Full front paint protection film, especially with the redo, and then a two-step paint correction, and then an application of Next Zen ceramic coating on the paint of this vehicle. This Cayenne looks crazy. It's ready to go, but more importantly than just looking good, it's gonna stay protected, both from rock chips and from stains. And so if you're looking for a really well-rounded protection package for your vehicle and you're looking for a great value, it's really hard to beat Ultimate Armor. This package covers everything you need, nothing you don't, and it's by far my most popular package. It's Jesse at the Humble Crew Auto Spa, signing out.